February is Career and Technical Education Month, and Lincoln Trail College Dean of Instruction Brent Todd says CTE programs prepare students for in-demand careers. He says the college works closely with industry partners to make sure students get the most out of their education at Lincoln Trail.
Lincoln Trail College works with our industry partners to find out what are the skills that are necessary for these in-demand positions. These are good positions, they're high-paying positions, and we want to make sure that when our students leave Lincoln Trail College, that they're prepared, they have the technical skills to succeed in these positions.
He says students can expect a lot of hands-on instruction, and many students take advantage of internships and apprenticeships to get on-the-job training. Todd says the CTE instructors at Lincoln Trail bring a wealth of experience to the classroom.
We have faculty that have been out in the field. They've worked in the industry, and they bring all of this experience into the classroom because, again, we want our students to go into the field prepared, and we get great feedback from our industry partners because our students are prepared.
Todd says you can also expect one-on-one attention when you take classes at Lincoln Trail College. For LTTV, I'm Chris Ford.